Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with the major, EURUSD, Dimitrios Tapas describes.
Early in the European session, the EURUSD pair is trading around 1.1740. Undergoing a technical correction after attempting to break below the 1.1780 level. The euro is likely to continue falling to the key support level on 88 Muri, around 1.1718 in the coming hours. A drop below the 88 Muri level could accelerate the downward movement, and we could expect the euro to reach 1.1628 and even reach the 7-8 Muri level, around 1.1596. On the other hand, the trend for the euro remains bullish. So, we will look for buying opportunities in the event of a technical rebound around 88 Muri level, with targets at 18 plus Muri at 1.1840. The EURUSD indicator is showing a negative signal. The EURUSD pair is likely to continue falling in the coming days. Key support for the euro for the coming days is 1.1718. And around the weekly support of 1.1680. Key resistance levels for the euro are 1.1760, 1789 and 1840, which coincide with the plus 18 Muri level.
Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents.
You could plan to buy the pound today when the price reached 1.3510, the green line on the chart, targeting a rise to 1.3547. Around 35.47, you could plan to exit long positions and open short ones in the opposite direction, expecting a 30-35 pip pullback from that level. A pound rally today is only realistic after strong data. Before buying, make sure that the MACD indicator is above the zero line and just starting to rise from it. You could also plan to buy the pound today if the 1.3485 is tested twice in a row, while the MACD is in oversold territory. This would limit the pair's downside potential and trigger a reversal upward. A rise toward 1.3510 and 35.47 can be expected. You could plan to sell the pound today after a move below 34.85. It's a red line on the chart, which could lead to a sharp decline. The key target for sellers will be 1.3448, where you could plan to exit short positions and open long positions in the opposite direction, expecting a 20-25 pip rebound from the level. Selling the pound today is justified after weak data. Before selling, ensure that MACD indicator is below the zero line and is just beginning to decline. You could also plan to sell the pound today if the 1.3510 is tested twice in a row, while the MACD is in an overbought territory. This would cap the pair's upside potential and lead to a reversal downward, a decline toward 34.85 and 34.48 can be expected.
That's all for today. See you online soon.